So it's Wednesday, March 29th, 2023, and we are having a snowy day, spring day, right? So we're walking here along Dundas Street West. Thought winter was over, but it's still hitting us. So cute. It's all knit, right? And we're gonna walk into. Whew, it's like really cutting. Like really? We're going here. I can see this Paris Sound exhibition at Stephen Bulger Gallery. All right. There we go. All right, it's not so cold. It's kind of warm. It's like +5 or something, but we have this we had rain. They turned into snow flurries. So here we are. Hi. Ciao.